Alright, part 2, back, and all the inside original speakers are hooked to this donor amp. All the RCA splitters are plugged into all 4 channels. And a positive note from removing all this, it gave me a chance to put this new, well, newly given to us carpet in here. So it's a lot cleaner. There's the one that was in it. It's pretty rough. It's a big difference there. That was nice. Alright, all 4 inside speakers is what we're looking for now. That 6x9 has sound, and so does that.
Every single Predators game is a big one now. There's only a few games left in the regular season, and the Preds are hanging on to that first wild card spot.
Alright, there we are on that. It's all good. It's all good. Little by little. Patience. Alright, so one other thing I can add on this video. My next step before we leave here, before I get off the subject of it, is hooking this back up. So now, let me show something else on this video to make it worth shooting. Only other main piece I have left on this job was, this was a blessing too, so we got a new trunk liner given to us during this job. We had this lower dash donated to us. Seems like a bunch of odd and end parts were shipped to us from a YouTube viewer. Appreciate that, brother. And the only thing I had to repair was this corner on this one. So I spent a lot of time over the last couple nights filling and sanding, and I still got a little more work to do on that edge and this inside edge. But this piece was missing. I used a broken part from your original dash that lined up close. I took the Dremel tool, made it fit, sit at the right size. I'm going to add some more fiberglass, Bondo hair fiberglass around the back of this, but I used a metal coat hanger to frame it in and give it some strength. And just worked on it like a little model car body or something. There was a chunk missing from this corner, so all that's filled in. Now I've got to finish that and paint it. And that's not going to be installed by me, so I won't have a video showing that together, because I don't want to chance. This thing has all the clips except for one, which most of them, to be honest, don't have either of those. I should hold fine with that one. He's got a new steering column going in it, so I need to touch this up for him also, which is a quick few minutes for me. Pull this off, tape this up, shoot it, sand it down, shoot it. I'm not installing that though, so it's going to go nice and neatly in the trunk, and I'll put a bunch of bubble wrap and set this on top nice and neatly finished. And you're going to have all these odd and end pieces that pop on after that lower dash is installed. Which, here's another little blessing, sort of. There's your original pieces. I did the best I could with this. Let me go on and remove it, because I'm not going to use that. I'll burn up my cigarettes. There's your original tray. It had a broken door like most of them. I've got one that was in my parts. It is still complete. This needs to be cleaned up. A little black paint thrown on it. And the same thing for a tray. And we'll put all the screws you need in a little baggie taped to the back of that or something like that. So it should be easy to install all these parts for whoever puts that steering column in. I don't want to install it and he pull it back off and break all the clips. So, yeah. Make sure all the clips line up and then gently push them into place. Alright, thanks for watching. I might wait till the next day or two till I have everything together and try to get this thing painted. If not, I'll make a final video after this 3-part series. Thanks. Peace.